In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Airtable with Zapier. This integration is a game changer for automating tasks and streamlining your workflow. Whether you're looking to connect Airtable with other apps or automate repetitive tasks, Zapier makes it incredibly easy. Let's dive in and walk through the process step by step. First, you'll want to head over to Zapier's homepage. If you're not already familiar, Zapier is an automation tool that connects your favorite apps, like Airtable, to create automated workflows, what they call Zaps. Once you're on the Zapier homepage, the first thing you need to do is locate the App Connections section. This is where you'll be able to manage the different apps you want to link together. Next, click on App Connections. This section is typically found in the dashboard area and is your gateway to adding and managing connections between Zapier and various apps. It's crucial to ensure you're logged into Zapier with the correct account that has permissions to access the apps you plan to connect. Now, you'll see an option to Add Connection. Click this button and you'll be prompted to search for the app you want to integrate with Zapier. In this case, we're looking to connect Airtable, so type Airtable into the search bar. Once you see Airtable appear in the list, go ahead and click Add. This action will initiate the integration process between Airtable and Zapier. At this point, Zapier will guide you through connecting your Airtable account. You'll be asked to log into your Airtable account if you haven't already. This step is essential because Zapier needs access to your Airtable data to automate tasks. Make sure to authorize this connection by following the on-screen instructions. If prompted, provide any necessary API keys or permissions to ensure a smooth integration. After successfully connecting Airtable to Zapier, you can start creating Zaps with Airtable as a trigger or an action. This means you can set up workflows where Airtable automatically responds to changes, like adding a new record or updating an existing one. The possibilities are vast, and this setup will save you a lot of time and effort by automating processes that would otherwise be manual. And there you have it. You've successfully integrated Airtable with Zapier, opening up a world of automation possibilities. Remember, the key to mastering these tools is to explore the different functionalities and see how they can best serve your needs. Thank you for watching, and happy automating!